Today on In the Box, we'll be unboxing the new Samsung A21. Samsung has been on the roll with releasing their phones this year. They have a lot of high-end, mid-range, pretty much have a lot of variety on the market as we speak. So we'll take a look at what comes in this A21 box. I'm definitely a fan of these new Samsung phone designs, by the way. I just wanted to say that. But let's go ahead and take a look at what this phone comes with. Of course, first you have the phone. But before we do that, it looks like they tuck some of the stuff inside of this book here. We have the terms and conditions. It looks like we have a version in English and a version in Spanish. Another book on terms and conditions, but this one you have the warranty attached to it and the privacy policy. Next we have the phone. Let's take a quick glimpse at this phone. This phone's pretty nice. The size feels good. 3 cameras on the back, 4. Okay, so 4 cameras on a mid-range device. That is actually great with a fingerprint reader on the back. This phone looks good. This phone looks very good actually for the price point. Now we have the charging base. So this is what you put into the wall and you connect the USB cable to that in order to charge your phone. And this looks like it's a fast charger. I'm a fan of the fast charger. You know, with the amount of time we spend on our phones, we want to make sure that we can get up and go quickly. We have the SIM tool. These are used to take the SIM card and the SD card out of the phone. Most phones, you're unable to remove the back cover anymore, which is where traditionally the SIM card and the SD cards were. But I'll show you guys how to use that in another video. Here we have a USB cable. I didn't even see what USB format this phone uses. Let's take a look. Standard USB to USB Type-C. So Samsung looks like they're going Type-C across the board, which is the standard. I almost forgot this one, the reference guide. This was actually stuck in the box there. So the reference guide just gives you tips on how to use your phone. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.